In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a privacy policy to ClickFunnels. Privacy policies are essential for any website that collects personal information from users. They inform visitors about what kind of data you gather, how you use it, and offer transparency about their rights regarding their data. So, let's dive into the process of adding a privacy policy to your ClickFunnels funnel. First and foremost, you'll need to log into your ClickFunnels account. Make sure you're on the dashboard of the funnel where you'd like to add this important page. Once you're in, direct your attention to the option that lets you add a new page to your existing funnel. If you're using ClickFunnels 2.0, you might see this as Add Page. Otherwise, it could be known as Add Step. Either way, the goal is to create a new, blank page that will serve as the home for your privacy policy. Select one of the blank page templates offered by ClickFunnels. Choosing a blank template will give you complete control to tailor the page to match your website's theme and aesthetic preferences, while maintaining a focus on the content that matters most. As you set up this new page, make sure to name it clearly. Privacy policy works perfectly. This not only helps you stay organized, but ensures visitors to your site can easily navigate to this crucial piece of documentation. Now it's time to add the actual content of your privacy policy. Crafting your privacy policy content carefully is critical to ensure clarity and compliance with legal guidelines. Begin with clear information about what types of data your site collects. This typically includes personal information like names, email addresses, and perhaps payment details if applicable. Next, clearly articulate how you utilize this personal data. This section might cover purposes such as account maintenance, communication, or improving site functionality. Discuss your use of cookies, those small data files that enhance user experience and track visits and behaviors on your site. Many users are increasingly concerned with cookies, so transparency here is key. It's also crucial to mention any third-party services you use that might have access to user data. For instance, services like Google Analytics or Metapixel play roles in tracking user engagement or for advertisement purposes, and their usage needs to be disclosed. Don't forget to include clear contact information for any users who have queries or concerns regarding their data. Offering users a way to reach you adds a layer of trust and accountability. Also, outline the rights users have over their data and provide options for them to opt out of data collection if they wish. With all this information, your privacy policy will be well crafted and ready to inform your audience. Once you've populated all your content on the page, review it thoroughly for any errors or omissions and make sure all necessary information is visible and accessible. Finalize the design if needed, ensuring the policy is easy to read and understand. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a privacy policy to your ClickFunnels site, keeping your audience informed and your business compliant. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tutorials.